I think we all know who this man is. This man's Tornado. Cody Tornado Daniels. Once a big face of the company, now gone into nothing but evil ways.
Okay, so I'm gonna be facing Manic, who didn't even deserve that title. But I have a problem with him because he screwed me over beating that man right there. So I'm gonna beat the holy crap out of him so he never comes back.
I'm under pressure. We trying to walk it out. I keep ending up on the stretcher. Problems in life are stretcher. Ain't got it all together. They say the change.
My boy Manic, the current AEW Intercontinental Champion. This could be the last time we see Manic, according to Tornado. And this man doesn't just talk smack, he backs it up. And remember, folks, this is for the Intercontinental Championship of AEW. The title Tornado claims he was screwed out of by yours truly, Manic. Come on, the bell hadn't even rang yet. Oh God, oh goodness. This match is now officially underway. Oh, what a kick to the jaw.
I tell you, it's gonna be a good match.
Okay, good. At least he moved the nails.
My gosh.
Ah.
Tornado's being a douchebag, isn't he?
Manic hadn't been doing too hot ever since he bounced headfirst off that wooden, solid steel ring post.
What?
The Morningwood ring post. What's Tornado doing with this ladder, folks?
I don't know.
Come on, Manic. This isn't the Manic we've come to know. Manic seems to be off his game tonight. Something's up. Tornado's in his head. Oh, come on. His leg's trapped inside of that solid steel ladder.
Tap. You give up. He doesn't give up.
Remember, this is also Falls Count Anywhere. I don't know if I announced that or not. And no DQ. Tornado's just sick. Real men don't use ladders. And real men don't lose their championships. Well, everybody loses their championship, but not in the way Tornado did. He's just stupid.
It only takes a man not to use weapons. Well, let's show Omega anyway.
He's laying him down on that ladder. Oh!
Holy crap!
Oh, come on, Tornado. Is this man really... You're gonna ruin his career, Tornado.
Come on, he's a new guy. Give him a break. All right.
This man is just sick. And now he's taking my chair. Steel chair shot to the head.
Twice. He's still not
Manic
going
seems to
down.
be jumping into it. Manic wanted that. And I don't think he wanted that. Oh, he's calling for the signature super kick. Boom! He just kicked him in the mouth. That was real. He kicked him in the mouth.
You all right?
Tornado. Is Manic okay? Is that blood I see on Manic?
What?
Manic's bleeding from the forehead. Boom! Big boot to the shoulder. Oh, come on, Tornado. He needs to quit toying with Manic and try and actually beat him. He could have pinned him after that super kick, I guarantee you.
Oh, look at this.
Now he's got a steel screen. Come on.
Come on. You think you're all of that, don't you?
The man's already bleeding. And there's blood on the screen. We use that for our house, or used to. Ah!
Come on. Tornado.
He
Hit
just-
him already.
Oh my God! This is way on past ridiculous. Unsportsmanlike conduct from Tornado. Oh, and now he's taking him away from the ring.
Oh, wow. What a deuce move. Come on. Do you think it's ridiculous? Come on. Oh, now look at him.
Manic just can't. Manic is way off his game.
Wonder what happened. I heard he just came back from strep throat though, so it's probably been a couple of weeks since he's trained. And this type of match takes more than a couple of weeks.
Oh, finally, some signs of life from Manic.
Good.
Manic very could well have a concussion. Tornado climbing that vehicle. Manic just on pure instinct now. Poor guy. He's got a never say die attitude.
Oh, come on. Pin him already.
Manic tossing Tornado off that car. And he nailed Tornado. 1,
2.
Nobody wants to see. Oh!
Wow.
Tornado, you're lucky I'm a ring announcer. I would beat the dog crap out of you.
Wow.
Low blow like you really need it.
Using Omega's move, I see. Trying to be an Omega. You're an Omega guy, aren't you? 1, 2, 3. Oh. 2.
Barely.
Barely.
Maniac has to be sitting backstage watching this go down. I think he might have missed him on that one.
Keep going.
Tornado's on Maniac's hit list.
Oh, come on.
Oh no.
He's in the car. I was about to say, I thought he was going to pin him there. I'm like, how is the ref going to pin him?
Tornado has just cheated his way through this entire match. It is ridiculous.
I know.
We're back up to where EEW got its first ring, the original wooden deck.
Well, Omega wasn't called Omega.
Is he going for a choke slam on this thing? This thing's liable to break. This thing is cracked all underneath there from a match against any old superstar. Tim Booth. Oh, God. Choke slam off of this deck.
One, two, three. Oh.
Manic should have stayed down. There's no telling what Tornado's going to do to him now. Now, especially back in Tornado's original old ring area.
Oh, look at this now. He's doing the sharpshooter. Oh my.
Tornado can't believe that Manic kicked out of that.
What?
What's Tornado going to do?
You tap out. He's just mad because he got screwed out of Manic helped Omega. What about that match earlier with Omega and Kylon? Wasn't that an awesome match?
Indeed.
God.
Tornado's walking where the old ring used to lay.
Look at Mr. Deuce.
Manic's managed to get up to his feet.
Another weapon, I presume. This is getting so old.
Oh, is he going for a headlock driver?
Wait a minute. That's Maniac.
That's Maniac's old finisher.
That.
DDT onto that plastic bin. That solid steel plastic bin.
What is he doing? A power driver? You can never do a power driver to Manic. Oh, right there used to be the old timekeeper's chair. Big boot. Hey. Oh!
Tornado might get got. Oh, come on. Oh, half Nelson.
What? No one ever.
Full Nelson. Tornado counters like a douche. Super kick. But how's he still standing? Boom! He's still standing. Is this gonna happen? One, two, three. And your new Intercontinental Champion,
You're right.
Tornado.
Get some medic!
Guys, Manic is seriously hurt. What? Poor
He
man.
broke his neck. Oh, come on.
Somebody stop this man! You've done enough. Someone should strip you of your title right now.
Did
The match is over.
he just push Omega?
This poor man came here for honest competition and got nothing but just illegal beatdowns. We'll have more on Manic's worsening condition.
Everybody has a breakdown.
We'll have more on Manic's current condition as
I will
hardcore retribution.
repay you.
Continues.
I will help you. I'm gonna.
This may truly be the last time we see Manic.